everybody. Here's Clovis with UNR's Technology LLC. Today lesson we're gonna talk about decision making while using if and else statement. So what we're doing in this project, that small project, is we're using scanner to fetch our value that we're gonna get in the screen. Then we're gonna be comparing if we're gonna check if the contents of this what we put on the screen match or it's equal to Clovis. Then we're gonna say hello Clovis. If it's something else, then we'll be like hello sir, please who are you? So this is how it's gonna be working. So if when you put if and then you put the condition, you put the condition which is here, right? The condition, if this one is equal, so it's gonna say, oh, it's true, then it's gonna print Clovis, hello Clovis. Otherwise, it's gonna do, hi sir, please who are you? Let's run it and then see what's happening. So yeah, I wanna put John. And look, he's saying, hi sir, please who are you? So because John is not Clovis, then this one you won't execute. This one executes only if it match this condition. Otherwise, like else, he's gonna do whatever which is inside here, like inside the scope of the else. This is the scope of the if, and this one the scope of the f. So where the f is being executed, scope means where the, from where and until the while you're beginning to execute if, or when until the end where you ending executing if, is the scope of if. It's the same way the scope of else is right here. So anything inside the accolade here is the scope of else. So let's try one more time. We're gonna run it again. Let's run it and see what we're gonna have. So I wanna write Clovis to make sure this time it's gonna say, hey, hello Clovis. You can see because it matched Clovis here. Wherever we get into our scanner, we put inside the entry, and we're like, okay, if entry is equal to Clovis, then do whatever it's inside the if scope. This is how we do decision making. So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.